In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pricing plans on your website. Whether you're offering courses, appointments, or exclusive content, creating structured pricing plans can really help organize your offerings while giving your customers clear options. So let's dive right into the steps. First things first, you'll need to add the Pricing Plans app to your site. Head over to your site's dashboard, and on the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. From there, click on Add Apps. This is where you'll find a variety of options that can enhance your site. In the search bar, type in Pricing Plans, and when you find it, just click on Add to Site. This step is essential to making sure you have all the tools you need to create and manage your pricing plans effectively. Now that you have the app ready to go, it's time to create a new plan. Still in your dashboard, look for Pricing Plans and click on it. You'll see an option that says Plus Create Plan. Hit that, and you'll be prompted to select Membership. This is where it starts getting exciting because now you can customize your plan. Begin by entering a name for the plan and a short description. This is your chance to make a compelling case for what you're offering. You can also add a catchy tagline and list out the benefits, making it easier for customers to understand what they're getting. With the basics set up, defining the plan benefits comes next. Look for a section that asks what services are included, or a similar option asking to list what's covered under your plan. This part is crucial as it outlines exactly what your customers are signing up for. You might select courses, special appointments, or exclusive pieces of content. Remember, if there's more you want to include, click Add More to expand on the features. Once you're satisfied with all the details, don't forget to hit Save to lock everything in. Moving on, let's handle the all-important aspect of pricing and payment. You'll want to click on Price and Payment to start setting up the payment options. You have choices here. Maybe a monthly or a yearly subscription suits your business model better. Additionally, consider whether you want to offer options like a free trial or a one-time setup fee. Tailor these choices to match your overall business strategy and customer expectations. And finally, if there's a need to assign a specific plan to certain members, this step is optional but incredibly useful. Navigate to Site Members in your dashboard, select Manage Members, and from there, you can choose who you want to assign the plan to. You can assign it to a specific role, further customizing how you manage access to your content. And there you have it, a structured and professional way to create pricing plans on your site. By following these steps, you'll provide your customers with clear and enticing options, tailored precisely to the services you offer. Happy planning!